Our grammar topic for today's class is conjunctions. We are going to check the use of three conjunctions: as, when, and while. Let's start defining what a conjunction is. A conjunction is a word that connects other words, phrases, clauses, or even sentences. Conjunctions make it possible to construct complex, relevant sentences and skip the choppiness of numerous short sentences. In English, we can find three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and subordinating conjunctions. For this class, we are going to focus our attention to subordinating conjunctions. They join two clauses of dissimilar structures or of unequal importance. This is usually the case with independent and not independent clauses. The most commonly used are because, since, although, before, until, unless, as if, as, so that, than, how, though, whether, while, and so on. For example, the teacher released the students before heading to town. As I told you before, we are going to focus our attention on subordinating conjunctions. Let's check as. It is used to talk about two events happening at the same time. It used to mean during the time that. For example, he folded the laundry as he watched TV. As she was leaving the house, the dog ran away. Let's see in these two examples that we can find as in two different positions. At the middle of the two sentences, it is talking about, or at the beginning of the sentence. Both positions are correct. When is used to introduce a single completed action that takes place in the middle of a longer action or event. It used to mean during the time that, after, or whenever. Let's see some examples. We were playing a game when the lights went out. The students cheated when the teacher wasn't looking. When the music stopped, everyone complained. When I travel, I don't bring a lot of luggage. Again, check that we can find when in the middle of the sentences or when at the beginning. Finally, let's check while. It is used to talk about two events happening at the same time. It used to mean during the time that. For example, while Tim was cooking dinner, Jane was studying. The kids listened while the teacher was teaching. Another aspect that we need to identify in the use of as, when, and while is, if we have it at the beginning of the sentence, we are going to use a comma to separate the second sentence or the second action. If we have it in the middle of the sentences, we don't need any comma. Thank you so much for your attention to this presentation. Okay, the pin for the game is 1744329. Please. One 744329. Okay, let's start with our game. Okay, other one. Another, thank you. Someone else? Okay, fantastic. No one else? Okay, let's start now. Okay, Alejandro, excellent. Okay, Fernanda, fantastic. Okay, Monica, well done. Okay, Carlos, great. Okay, Fernanda, excellent. Okay, Carlos, very well. Okay, Monica, excellent. Monica, great. Okay, Fernanda, fantastic. Okay, Carlos, well done. Okay, Carlos continues on the first place. Okay, Carlos, excellent. Emmanuel, excellent. Okay, Emmanuel continues in the first place. Carlos, excellent. Okay, Carlos continues on the first place. They check the podium for this game. Ana Licona on the third place, Emmanuel Vasquez on the second place, and the winner of this game is Carlos Casas. Congratulations, all of you. Okay, let's check then some advertisement about your class. En esta semana les abro la unidad 4 y recuerden que en ese foro simplemente hay que subir el portafolio de evidencias. Aunque ustedes en la plataforma tengan ahí estipulada la actividad, no la van a realizar. En la unidad 4, en el foro, nada más hay que subir el portafolio de evidencias, por favor. Si no has subido ahí sí la actividad del foro 3, te pido que lo hagas. Todavía estamos a tiempo y también con el debido portafolio de evidencias. En estas semanas se va a abrir el examen de las unidades 3 y 4. Te invito a que estés pendiente, por favor. De cualquier forma, yo te voy a mandar un pequeño recadito donde te diga, ya está abierto el examen por si lo quieres realizar. Recuerda que nada más tienes 2 horas para realizarlo y el 14 de noviembre es la fecha límite para que lo puedas presentar. Después del 14 de noviembre no va a ser posible presentar el examen, puesto que la plataforma se cierra. Ok, recuerda que en los exámenes no debes de contestar la sección de speaking y de writing. Ok, no es necesario, aunque si quieres hacerlo, no hay ningún problema. ¿Alguna duda sobre la información que te acabo de dar?
Yo, doctor, disculpe, soy Isaac. Entonces, en esta unidad
A ver,
solamente
Isaac,
enviamos...
ahora sí dime, Isaac, por favor.
Entonces, en esta unidad, que es la 3, solamente enviamos el portafolio de evidencia.
No, en la 3 mandas la actividad y el portafolio. En esta que les voy a abrir esta semana, que es la 4, ahí nada más mandas el portafolio de evidencias, Isaac.
Ok, ya me quedó claro. Muchas
¿Sí?
gracias, doctor.
En la 3
Gracias.
vamos a hacer la actividad que tenemos ahí descrita en el foro y anexamos nuestro portafolio de evidencias. En la 4 nada más subimos el foro de evidencias, el portafolio de evidencias, perdón, ¿sí? Y hay que estar al pendiente porque también en este periodo se abre el examen de la unidad 3 y 4, ¿sí?
Sí, muchas gracias.
¿De qué,
Gracias.
Isaac? ¿Alguna otra aclaración que deseen hacer?
Ah, disculpe, no escuché, en los exámenes no se hace el writing ni el speaking.
Exacto, Emanuel. No haces el writing ni el speaking. Bueno, por indicaciones de la coordinación.
Gracias.
¿Alguna otra aclaración que deseen hacer? No? Okay. Thank you so much for your time, your attendance to this class. See you next Saturday. Bye bye.
Hasta luego, bonito fin.
Bye bye.
Igualmente,
Bye.
cuídate, Luis.